Getting a job offer is exciting, especially if it's your first job or a better opportunity. But many Jamaican workers make a serious mistake. They accept the offer without reviewing the details properly. And later they realize things like the take home pay is lower than expected, overtime is not clearly explained, or the benefits were not what they assumed. So before you say yes to any job, here are 5 things you should always review first. Number one, check the salary, gross versus net. The first thing most Jamaican workers look at is the salary amount. But remember, the number written in the job offer is usually gross salary, not the amount you actually receive. Your net pay will be lower because deductions like income tax, education tax, NIS, NHT will be taken from your salary. So before accepting the offer, try to estimate what your take home pay will actually be. Number two, review the work hours. Next, review the working hours carefully. Ask yourself, what are the official working hours? Is overtime expected? Is it shift work? Under Jamaica's flexi work week system, Sunday is no longer automatically considered a rest day. Your rest day depends on how the employer structures the schedule. So make sure you clearly understand the working hours before accepting the offer. Number three, look for benefits. A good job offer includes more than just salary. They may include health insurance, paid vacation leave, study or training opportunities, performance bonuses. Sometimes a job with a slightly lower salary can actually provide better overall benefit. Number four, review deductions. It is also important to understand what deductions will be taken from your salary. In Jamaica, most employees will see deductions such as income tax, NIS contributions, education tax, and NHT contributions. These deductions are normal and support important national programs, but you should still understand how they affect your take home pay. Number five, check the contract terms. Finally, always review the contract terms. Look for details such as the probation period, the notice period for resignation, the rules for termination. These conditions determine your rights and responsibilities once you start working. Never feel pressured to sign a contract without reading it carefully. Before accepting any job offer, remember to review the salary and estimated take home pay, the working hours, the benefits offered, and the contract terms. Taking a few minutes to review these details can save you many problems later. In the next video, we'll go even deeper. We'll look at what every Jamaican worker should understand before signing an employment contract. Because once you sign, those terms become legally binding. Stay informed, stay protected. Don't just work hard, work smart. Know your rights, Jamaica.